Okay, Eddie, wag. Sabi sa akin ng copyright, Eddie, wag. Eddie, wag. Kailangan mo naman, ang hirap mong kabanding. Okay, hinaan natin, but like, you know, let's set up the vibes. I love trance, T-R-A-N-C-E music, but I also love trance music. Hello po from Pangasinan. Hi from Pangasinan. Hala, natakot ako. Deserve. Huwag ka kasing papansin masyado. Kalmahan mo lang. Lahat mabibigyan. Kasi nga, salamat Panginoon sa pagkakataon. Kala ko naman sa main ko yung live. Kala ko naman sa main ko yung Shafira. Kala ko nag-end live kasi na-take seriously. Sinabi ko, eme-eme lang yun. Eme-eme ka lang kung close tayo. Balik muna tayo sa Tomochos. Tomochos! Kala ko nakita ko sa live. Deserve Shafira. Shit. Hindi ko ipagdadamot. Lahat magkakaroon. See you sa 19, pretty. See, ano meron sa... yeah, okay. Girl, brain fog. Yeah, see you sa 19. Playhouse Thanksgiving on the 19th. Lovely. Sabihan mo nga pangalan ko, ayoko, huwag mo kayo nautusan. Missed you, Shafira. Hi, GF. Huy, hindi pa ako committed. I found out that you are also a Pisces. Finally, a Pisces sister. Yeah, me and Matilda are both Pisces. Meron bang Pisces from season 1? I'm not sure. Mix so pretty, thank you. Ano yung 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1. I don't know much about algebra, but I know 1 plus 1. Pack you. Shitty. Lahat ang inang ganda. La, wanna hug and see you again. I also love giving hugs. My loves. I miss you, mama. Do you like Scorpios? My Scorpios are hit or miss. I've had a lot of close friends that are Scorpios. But I also have some ex-friends that are Scorpios. Nga Pisces ka pala. Yes. So, it'll be my birthday in 3 months. Oh my God. Alam niyo ba? Share ko lang. Realization to the other day. I will be celebrating my birthday this coming March 8th, which is also International Women's Month. But I will be celebrating my first birthday as an actual international woman. Sorry, gets ba? But gets? Ayun. Brigading is a Pisces. Yes, Brigading is a Pisces. So me, Brigading, and Matilda are Pisces sisters from seasons 1, 2, and 3. Hey, mama. Hey, anak-anak. Pa-shoutout po, Mama Mix. Ayoko. Ex-friend na Scorpio. Kilala ko ba to? Charing, oo, girl, mas matagal mong ex-friend yun. Gemini, yes, if as friend, carry. Pero if as partner, takbo na lang. Ay, hindi. Ang best friend ko, Gemini. Isa sa mga best friends ko, Gemini. But Geminis are hit or miss also for me. Like, either sobrang close namin, like sobrang tight namin, as in parang ganyan. Or parang like, doon ka lang sa far. Love kita dyan sa far. Yes, I'm so proud of you. I love you. Thank you so much. March Pisces gang. Yes. May mix pa notice po. Notice sa'yo, Aaron, haba ng pangalan mo. Hello, Scorpio po ako. I think it's a hit. Yes, it's a hit, Miss Regina. I love you so much. Hi, Miss you love. Sana miss rin ako ng crush ko. Hoy! Capricorn ako, me. Good. Congratulations, matigas ulo mo. I'm Scorpio and I swear I'm genuine as fuck. Great for you. Sana all ng Scorpio genuine as fuck. I'm sorry your egg tarts did not make it to you. Yung other pasulubong. Oh my God. Girl, ang dami kasi nangyari over the past weekend. Honestly, this weekend was lit. Like, I love this weekend. So fun. Love that for myself and for my friends. Ayun. Anyway, ano mga plano natin for this Thursday evening, my loves? Wala na masyado. Actually, wala akong plano. Parang like, chill lang ako tonight. I don't know. Unless may mag-aya dyan. Depende na lang kung sino. Anyway. Tawang-tawa ako kapag nakikita ko QRT nag-hi sa mga omsere. Tapos, bawal mag-hi? Hindi ka pwede sa hello? I am a Scorpio as well. Scorpios are fire. Gaga, Scorpios are water sign. Bobo. Charis. Nag-dinner ka na gana? Hindi pa. Ilang years na kayo ng jowa mo, remove from live years old. Read the fucking room, bitch. Kung si Mix lang mag-hi sa akin, manginig pa ako. What can you say about Virgo man? I love a Virgo man. One of my best friends is also... I'm very blessed. I have a lot of close friendships. I have a lot of best friends. One of my best friends is a Virgo man. Love him. Needs better taste than men. Haha, read the room. Diba? Where next event mo? It will be at the Playhouse Thanksgiving on the 19th. Love you, Ma'am Mix. Super pretty niyo po. Thank you, my love. Filter lang yan. Filter lang yan. Filter lang yan. Favorite ko itong ginagamit na filter when I don't have any makeup on. For example, today. Anyway, cheers sa mga nag-celebrate ng Thursday night. Happy Thursday, my loves. I hope you guys are having a great night. Nag-live lang ako because wala lang, I'm bored. Andiyan na yung crush ko. Bagay yung bangs. Alam mo, actually, so ito nga, parang I have been debating with si Mike, with one of my best friends, na gusto ko nga siyang pahabain kasi I also wanna see like what I look like without bangs. Kasi I've never had long hair without bangs. So, I'm kind of growing out my bangs. Pero kasi sinasabi niyo bagay siya. So, parang natempt ako i-trim na naman. So, saan na lang lulugar yung bangs ko? I hope you're having a great night as well, ganda. Having a super chill night. I-micro bangs na yun. La, hindi para. Hindi para. Hindi para. No sa micro bangs for myself. Masyado ko nang matagal pinagdaanan yung micro bangs as an omfiret. Ngayong above tayo, bangs tayo. Curtain bangs is the answer, yeah. So, yun nga, I'm waiting for it to grow out, be like, mas curtain bang. Ang mahirap lang, parang, syempre for now, because it's getting closer to my eyes, pag lumalabas ako, kailangan ko siyang, like, planchahin ng malala, para nakaganyan siya. Like, gets ba? Para hindi siya nakatusok sa mata. Ang bilis nga humaba hair niya, sobrang yes na yes. Bakla Trisha Faidian, huwag kayong Bakla Trisha Faidian, huwag niyo ako Pinakamahirap magpahaba naman kasi nakakairita sa eyes. Yes, girl. Yes. Tingnan nails. Here they are. They're like a couple weeks old, but they're like medyo coquette. Ang atake namin dito, like Glinda with touch of like Elfie. Yan, coquette ng berry lights. Kung mag-focus lang sana yung camera. Hindi niya makaya mag-focus. Anyway, nakita niyo siya. Ayun na yun. Hi, Mix, parang ready na for All Stars. Huwag kang pala decision, my love. Hindi pa ako ready. Ay nako, ang sarap yung dog show yun talaga malala. So what's up? Miss ko na kayo ni Baus. Girl, ang tagal kong dinikita si Baus. So totoo lang, Miss Baus is booked, blessed, and busy. Yeah, just in like him and McCoy are having like the busiest but also the time of their life right now. Nakita nyo na ba yung latest episode? Nag-podcast sila sa aeroplano. Bakla, ilang linggo ko nang hinihintay yun. Sobrang pasabog yung Jose Kigmo. I love it. Do you guys want reels of the performances from Jose? Papayagan ba ako ng TikTok for that? Di Shafira stop to 2366, correct. Angel face the wall, correct. Panis ka, boy. Di panis kayo sa panis ka, boy. I'm just, like, honestly, trying to have as much fun as I can while undergoing psychosis. Psychosis! Mom, please upload. Okay, go. Sabihan ko yung social media manager ko, oras na mag-upload ng mga performance. Hey, H. Ako mismo payag dead mo sa TikTok. Laro. Yes, upload. Okay, Pogo. Painitin natin yung December nyo, Coach. Ganda mo na i-in love ako. Sana hindi lang ikaw. Sana pati yung bet ko. Huy! Sino-sino ba mga nandito tonight? Ano ba yun? Wala naman siya dyan. Di wag. Char! Ogo, ang damot. Girl, bawal na mag-music sa live. Bakit bawal mag-music sa live? Paano ako? What if gusto ko magpadagtog ng Olivier? Hindi magdadrama ako dito. Ano gagawin ko? Love you kahit katabi ko asawa ko. Sabihin mo sa asawa mo, haha, buddy. Charis. Shout out, mom. Shout out sa'yo. Ano po skincare nyo, mom? It's a lot of Garnier and Good Molecules products, honestly. Nanood na lang ng live at hindi talaga nag-work. Bakit ka nag-work at 10 p.m. on a third sa bagay? Iba-ibang shift nga naman pala mga OATs. Ganda mo naman, Ning. Thanks, Alessandra. Sa TikTok, mom, hindi naka-copyright. Should I live sa TikTok? Never pa kasi ako nag-live sa TikTok. Medyo, honestly, TikTok people scare me. Medyo, Orkut Arashinong very, very light sa mga tao na nasa TikTok. Kasi parang, para bagang hindi sila nag-think minsan kung mag-comment. Uga ako sa panis ka, boy, TikTok mo, mom. Gusto niyo yung, ganyan, yung may pa... What's your perfume, Reco? Natila bagang naaamoy mo ko right now. Oh, teka. Wait. I am, at the moment, I switch between two perfume combinations. So, I use an oil-based perfume. Yon, secret yon. Secret ko yun. As in like, super secret weapon ko yung oil base that I apply onto my skin before any perfume. And then, ang pabango ko when I want it like a little lighter, pero sweet pa din, sweet girl atake pa din. Pero medyo mas like light yung amoy. It is currently Jo Malone, Sandalwood, and Spiced Apricot. This is from their Holiday 2025 collection. Ito yung pinakabago kong perfume. Tapos, ano siya, it's very like warm. May vanilla note pa din. Because vanilla is my favorite scent. It's my signature scent. May vanilla note pa din, but it's a bit more like warm and woodsy. Medyo cozy. There's a bit of like cotton kind of like notes in there. Tapos, yung pangalawa kong favorite na combination is this, Mugler Angel Nova. So, this is kind of vanilla, kind of rosy. And then, when I want it parang mas deeper, mas like talagang gourmand yung scent, I love this Zara Coco and Latte on top of this. Kasi ito, sometimes I feel like this can get a little too malagkit smelling by itself. Pero ito, parang they balance each other out really well. But yeah, that's it. That's my perfume combination in rotation right now. I'll be in drag this Saturday for our year-end party. Wish me luck, ma'am. Good luck. Kamusta na ang Kizona? Tanong mo sa may pake. Girl, like, I love Kiana, I love Arizona, but they're not here. So why are you asking about them? Common sense, right? Joe Addict, shout out ma. Shout out sa'yo, Joe Addict, and sa asawa mong katabi mo na pinagseselosa na ako. Eme. Lahat na magaganda, emotionally stressed this year, period. Period, honestly, girl. Especially itong quarter 4. Quarter 4, binugbog atasi. Binugbog atasi ng quarter 4. Sa totoo lang. Iray-iray. Minsan kasi deserve nyo. Lubog na talaga ang Maxiana. Okay, hindi ka makaget over sa ship, goodbye sa'yo. Bye! Sobrang pretty mo sa new hair look mo, Queen. Thank you so much. It's extension. So this right here, this like short section right here, this is my real hair. Yeah, love that. But this is also my real hair because it's real and I paid for it, so it's mine. But it is extension. What if kick na? Okay, kalmahan nyo. GV tayo tonight. And GV tayo tonight. Hi, Mix, ang ganda mo, sobrang thank you. I miss watching you on TV. Actually, sakto lang. I mean, I love being perceived. But also, like, being on TV is a little unpredictable. So, me, I'm trying to introduce drag to my classmates and friends. May isa akong friend na bakla. Congrats! I don't know, girl. I guess. Thank you. I mean, like, yes, spread the word of drag. Lovely. That's great. Hi, ganda. Hello. Baha, GV lang. More sense reveal. Miss you. Okay, so, controversial opinion. Let me give you a few more perfumes that I like. But going back to controversial opinion, I love Ariana Grande and I love the way this perfume smells. But it is not for Philippine weather. This is the Ariana Grande Mod Vanilla. Hindi siya pang Pilipinas. Kasi ito yung kaisa-isang vanilla perfume ko na hindi ko masyadong ginagamit. Kasi pagka mainit, umaasim siya. Like, yeah. Medyo pang layer siya, siguro like 1 spritz compared to like 3 of whatever perfume base or like base perfume that you're using. Pero parang cute lang siya in very, very small amounts. I love that. Next is, so eto naman, this was my perfume nung Drag Race. I rarely ever use it since, kasi pag naamoy ko to, naalala ko talaga yung workroom. And it brings a lot of like good and bad memories. So, you look like someone na laging top 1 sa school, amoy baby cologne, and TV broadcaster na suki sa NSPC. Okay, girl! Sobra specific! I love that! Yeah, this one naman, this is the Marc Jacobs Perfect. This is my Drag Race perfume. So, if you want to like, I don't know, if you can get a small sample of this, tas panoorin nyo ulit yung season 3, oh. Girl, masyado madaming memories attached to this perfume. So, hindi ko na siya masyadong ginagamit, but I keep it for sentimental purposes. Ang next kong favorite, I love this because this is such a like warm, deep, woody, vanilla, not overwhelmingly sweet, but just like depth. This is the Camera Latafa. Yan. This is a gift from one of my work tatays. Yung when I was still working in corporate, yung isa sa mga tatay ko sa work nun, gift niya sa akin to. Favorite. One of my favorite. Can wear it by its own. Don't need to layer. Love her. And then this one naman is also one of my mixers. Ito yung isa sa mga pabango ko na I don't like wearing by itself, but I love wearing it with all of my other Gourmand Lactonic scents. Jo Malone London Nashi Blossom Cologne. I think this was either 2023 or 2024 summer. May mga scents talaga na ibabalik ka sa mga pangyayari before. Girl, honestly, I have a very, very strong scent memory. As in, may mga scent memory ako for people. There are certain scents that I associate with certain people. But also, like, think about pheromones. Think about how each perfume smells differently on each person. I'm super specific with that. As in, may mga pabango talagang, may mga tao akong naalala or may mga events akong naalala. So, yeah. Like, girl, Versace Eros Heat. I don't want to remember that. I don't want to think about that. I don't want to think about the Versace Eros Heat. What are your thoughts about Camila Cabello's music like June Bloom and Chanel number 5? I feel like you give off Chanel number 5 vibes. I have not listened to Camila Cabello's music. I'm so sorry. Like, hi babe, how are you? Hi, I'm doing great. How are you, Renz? How about songs? May ganun din ba? Of course. But also, I think na parang as much as there are songs that you associate with certain people, I also think that songs are timeless in itself. Na parang eventually you can come to associate it with a certain feeling. Sometimes you can associate it with a certain event, or sometimes you stop associating it with certain people because you think about those people in a different light, and this song parang nagbago ng perspective mo. Gets ba? Songs are more timeless, I think. Me lang ba love na love marinig magsalita si Mix? Girl, hey, thank you. Eros trauma is so real. The horror stories from my friends. Girly pop. No, Eros Heat. Specifically, the Versace Eros Heat. Never want to smell that in my life. Hi mom, good evening. Can I get a good luck for our midterm examination next week? Yuan is my real name po. Good luck, Yuan. You inspire me. Thank you. Pa-showdown ako Mix. Ng what? Showdown ng what? Can you recommend a song right now, top of mind? Listen to Demi's It's Not That Deep album. That's my current favorite. Yan yung as in binabalik-balik ako the past few days. Listen to In My Head or Ghost from It's Not That Deep na album ni Demi. Can you rec a song? I just did. I rewatched Drag Race and fell in love with you more. Aw, thank you. Same, parang lagi ako nakikinig sa podcast whenever I'm listening to Mix, girl. Thank you. Ma, with honors ako, no joke. Congrats naman, wa. Congrats sa Binks. Binks. Whatever. Nika Isabel, Versace o fresh na lang, mom smells good. I've not. Eros pabango ng Pacboy. Yes, girl. But Eros Heat. Like, there's a variant of Eros called Eros Heat. Over it. So over it. Mabango siya, but so over it. Bulgari Glacier. So over it. Never again. Never again! Sorry. Anyway, ayun. Ang daming mga kuda about perfumes. The trauma is real, mama. I don't even want to talk. The nails, OMG. The nails. You love the nails. Love her. Little coquette moments. Anyway, how's everyone? It's 10:15 on a Thursday. Where are you guys at? Any plans for tonight? I stayed mostly in this week. First time kami hindi lumalabas ng friends ko on a weeknight. So medyo like, don't know what to do. Hi, so nag-reply sa comment ko na disconnect ako sa live, but yes, you're right. Mom, isang shoutout lang, mag-review na ako. Hindi ko responsibilidad yan. Mag-review ka kahit walang shoutout. Diptyque L'Eau Papier. Oh, I'm trying to remember because I've smelled a bunch of like different Diptyque perfumes. I'm trying to remember what L'Eau Papier smells like. Punta ka Bacolod, OMG. I would love to go to Bacolod. Tell the bars. Tell the club. Ang plan tonight, I work. Go, tama yan. Alipin na salapi. Tama, mali. Mix, are you gonna watch RPDR Season 18? I want to. Kasi alam nyo ba, parang I've been following Juicy Love Dion since, I wanna say like 2018, 2019. Or like 2020 at least. I've been following Juicy Love Dion for so long. Kaya nga nakapasok si Morphine, medyo na-hype ako kasi parang I knew Morphine as Juicy's drag sister. But Juicy has been that girl for so long. So, I'm excited to see her on 18. Hindi ko nakapanood yung Meet the Queens. Don't ask me. The hair suits you talaga, mama. Love you. Thank you. I want it longer. So the next time I get my extensions retouched, I want to add like a layer of longer hair para hanggang the L siya. Mga ganyan. Maybe like, let's say about like 3 inches longer. Mga ganon. Ganon yung attacking gusto ko. But wala ka nung bulabog. Well, for one, I love ballroom. Ballroom has given me such an amazing outlet to explore myself. But I think also, just honestly speaking, this past month, I've not been really feeling like expressing myself in that way. I've been like discovering new avenues to express myself. I've been spending time with my friends. Honestly, just like anything to kind of like get me out of this psychosis. Trans ka na po ba? O parang tatay mo? Char! No, oh yeah girl, check my profile, check the videos, check the reels. Keep up with the time. The extensions are giving talaga. I'm obsessulated. I love obsessulated. Obsessulated is the number one like wicked slang that I love. I'm obsessulated. I finally saw you last Shady Brunch, tapos sobrang na starstruck ako. Oh, thank you. I'm sorry I didn't get to join the actual Shady Brunch attacker, but yeah, I had a bunch of other things that day. Lagari ang bakla that day. And then I went to a rave after everything because like, you know, work-life balance. Anong mga drag shows na pwede minor like 15 plus? Gusto ko talaga manood legit. I guess just maybe like do your due diligence to also, you know, like, why not ask the pages that are promoting drag shows na parang, especially if it's not a bar, if hindi naman bar yung venue, you can just message and be like, DM them and be like, hey, pwede ba minors? If pwede, edi go. Pwede po arboring glasses mo, edi nabulog na lang above. Ask ko lang sa'yo, Miss, sino yung pinaka-nagustuhan mong guest of the Canon Podcast? Of course, the most, Miss Versex. Kaya nga siya parang I think she was on 6 episodes during Slajon Royale. We love Versex. You know what? Versex is like a really, really good balance to me and Baus. Because me and Baus, of course, are very like, we try to be very politically correct. We try to be like, you know, considerate of everyone in the production, but most especially the queens. Versex is just, she's fire. Love her. Thanks, Mom. Hello, pretty girl. Ganda mo, mi pa. Blessed. Blessed kay Ninang. Blessed. Ayan. Okay. Anyway. Hi, pretty. Hello. How are you? Yes, super nagka-compliment personalities niya. Super naka-enjoy lalo. Alam mo, I don't think anyone's gonna understand the parang relationship that me and Versex have. Like, hindi man ako yung, we might not be each other's closest sister. Kasi of course, Versex has, Shemod as her close friends, all, like, that's with her all the time. But whenever me and Versex, like, connect, we like, see each other. Real, sobrang saya kausap ni Versex. Parang di kayo mawalan topic pag siya kachikahan mo. Yes, but also kasi we're both like neuro-spicy divas. So talagang nagkakadalahan kami ng Adahada Pro Max. Hi, Ate Mix. Ako po yung nakapink ng Sabrina listening event. Madami kayo, my love. I'm so sorry, but yes, thank you for coming to that one. Love that gig. Love performing in a theater, in a cinema. So great. Giving Elphaba and Glinda. Elphaba. Glinda. Elphaba. How are you, pretty? Doing fine. I'm on the outside doing amazing. On the inside, sakto lang. The one that hugged you. Again, medyo marami kayo, my love. But again, thank you so much for coming to that show. Like, I appreciate it so much. Mom, layag pa ba ang nooks? What? Anong MX? See you sa MRT sa December 22. Go, hanapin mo ako doon. Pag nahanap pa ako, picturean mo ako. Ang ganda ng username na to. Naneto. If given a chance ulit to recreate Wicked the musical, anong character gagawin na? Why would I change? I loved Glenda. I loved Miss Glenda. That was such a fun challenge. Love that. We love our sex in the podcast, and of course you embouse the intelligence. Thank you. Yeah, we'll see what the podcast is gonna look like for the next year. Like, so many things are happening, so many things are going on, so many new evolutions in our careers are shaping up. So let us see where the wind takes us. You're so pretty, Sir Rusical, yung Drag Race Philippines Season 3 nung nag-Glinda. I really tried to change my makeup for that one kasi sobrang pressured ako to like, kasi I remember nung workroom walkthrough with Mama Pao. Mama Pao was like, oh, so hindi na challenging for you si Glinda kasi parang very similar na yung personalities nyo. Parang ako, I know, we have to show versatility, we have to show range. So, sobrang binago ko yung mukha ko for that challenge. OMG, yes, same thoughts to Tutu. Thank you. I already missed your music video, Sinigang Mix. You can like watch it over and over again on my TikTok. It's up there. Also here on my Instagram. How to usad sa first ever ka talking stage? MLM kasi. Just talk, girl. Just like talk about life. Talk about your beliefs. Talk about your principles. Talk about your like ideals in a relationship. If wala ka pa namang experience na wala ka pang like certain non-negotiables, talk about your ideals. Talk about kung ano yung mga morals nyo, ano yung mga mahalaga sa inyo as people. And if you jive, you jive. If you don't, you don't. That's it. Would you do the musical again? Yes, I would. Love her. Hi, Ma. Hello, hello. Hi, Mami. Hello, Lomi. Hello, Lucky Me Supreme Chicken. Ay. Wishing magka-event ka dito sa Bicol. I have not been to Bicol. I would love to. What was the hardest challenge you did sa Drag Race Philippines? The ones that I bottomed in? Like, the ones that I bottomed in? Those were the hardest. Benta so much sa akin, aliw, huhu. If you were given the chance to join Station Royale 2, what will you do, Ma? Eh, di magpa-prepare. Girly, I don't know. Like, I guess I would join. I guess I'd say yes. I guess I'd prepare as best as I can. But, let's see. Show ka ulit sa Onset. Tell Onset to book me. Gaano mo katagal pinahaba ang hair mo? Mga 3 hours sa Trisha Fide Salon. Eh. So excited to see you sa Playhouse Bonding. Pero good luck na talaga sa traffic. Girly Pop. Metro Manila traffic in December is disgusting. Ano next haircut mo? Pag nagsawa ka na sa haircut mo na, I'm planning to grow my real hair out into like a cute cunty little bob. Like maybe right here. And then, yun nga, pag mahaba na siya enough to cut into that style, I'll cut it. I'll get rid of the extensions. But, yeah. For now, I'm living the fantasy with the long hair. Ready ka na po ba mag-join into another competition? Right now, I'd say no. Just because, like, I'm really taking my time trying to, like, get to know myself better. Yun nga, I'm kind of, like, I'm still early on into my transition. I'm early on into living my life as a female presenting person. So, I'm not in a rush to join a competition right now. But given the opportunity, I mean, like, why not also? So, let's just see how things play out in my life. Maang pretty so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hello, gorgeous. Hello, Miss Lulu the Face. Butch Queen Face, Miss Lulu. Ah, legend. I'll tell on bukas agad. Girl, go. Honestly, Q1, I would love to go and travel during Q1. I want to go to Sinulog. I miss Cebu. I want to go back to Cebu. I want to do more traveling in Q1 of next year. But yeah, let's manifest that. Of course, like, if I can travel for work and also do a bit of leisure, why not? But let's see. Medyo parang December 11 pala, pero medyo naubos na yung battery ko for life. Can't wait to go on like the break between Christmas and New Year. Mom, do you have any plans to mag-change your hair color? Not at the moment. Maybe like a cute balayage moment, but like a deeper brown, but not really in a rush. I'm enjoying being a virgin. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great night. Please enjoy the rest of your Thursday. Have a great weekend. Good luck with the traffic. Good luck with the booking. Bless sa mga nag-aaral and stay gorgeous.